turn on or turn off the call forwarding option on Android phones. So if you want to turn on or off the call forwarding option on Android phones, then you need to simply open up your phone application, whichever you're using, and here you need to go for the dialer. And once you're here on the dialer, now you may have multiple SIM cards, so you want to call to the one particular SIM card, then you can activate your call forwarding options. To enable that, you need to simply follow some ways. First, you can open up your dialer as I've said before, and then you can type for *7*. You can enter the phone number, then you can just press on hash and you can call it. And once you'll call, the forwarding option will be activated and it will say call forwarding registration was successful. That means your call forward has now been activated, and now you can do the similar things in another way. For that, you want to open up your dialer again, and then you need to go and tap on the three dots which is on the upper right. You can simply go for your actual phone application and go for the upper right, go for settings, and here you may have call forwarding option, because if you don't have that option, then that means you don't have that option on your device and you won't be able to call forward. And if you want to turn off your call forwarding option, then you will have that option on your call forward. You just need to simply toggle on and off the button. So that's how you can turn on or off the call forwarding option on your Android phones. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.